Welcome to Next Gen Mansions, where we unlock the doors to breathtaking design, endless beauty, and a lifestyle most can only dream of. In today's video, we're diving deep into a world of elegance and luxury as we explore the full interior of a royal-style billionaire home. From an ultra-luxurious bedroom, a crystal-infused kitchen, a spa-like washroom, and a grand living space, to a formal dining area, indoor heated pool, and wellness zone, a magnificent staircase with a royal entry, and a cozy tech-rich TV lounge. Every corner has been designed with extreme care, taste, and unimaginable opulence. What lies beyond the entrance is a complete masterpiece in harmony. The floors shimmer beneath your feet, made of flawless white marble that reflects light like a polished gem. Every wall is touched by soft pastels, sky blues, and elegant white finishes trimmed with gold, creating a serene yet powerful ambiance. The ceiling stretches high above, carrying carved floral patterns and crowned with radiant crystal chandeliers that dance with light as the sun filters in through the towering arched windows. In one space, rich teal velvet blends with sheer silk, layered across oversized cushions and draped curtains. In another, glimmering crystal droplets hang delicately over a marble-topped island, where gold-framed cabinets house the tools of a gourmet dream. Counters made of polished stone, infused with subtle mineral veins, catch the light with every movement. Light fixtures are never simple. They're statements, carved from glass and metal, placed with perfect symmetry to amplify both beauty and purpose. As we move deeper inside, design and comfort begin to merge. Heated surfaces, plush underfoot textures, and ambient lighting turn every step into an experience. Beauty essentials are laid out like a personal boutique, with gold-trimmed mirrors, crystal perfume bottles, and pearl-studded brush sets ready to grace a flawless routine. Large soaking features sparkle beneath gold fixtures, as natural light reflects off every angle, enhancing the atmosphere of quiet, regal comfort. In areas built for gathering, space unfolds dramatically. Rich textures layer over one another. Tufted surfaces, velvet seating, satin throws, silk-lined drapery. Gold-framed accents give shape to furniture that's oversized yet graceful, giving room to stretch without losing elegance. Technology is hidden seamlessly within hand-carved architecture. Massive smart screens surrounded by marble, sound systems built into ceilings, and lighting that adjusts without a switch. Tall columns rise in rhythm, each one matching the next in perfect alignment. Reflections bounce from polished floors to massive mirrors framed in antique gold, making rooms feel as endless as they are intimate. Decorative elements don't compete for attention. Instead, they work together, enhancing the overall atmosphere. Floral wall carvings, crystal ceiling pieces, and embroidered soft textiles quietly remind you,
every detail here is considered, every inch speaks wealth. Soft water movement from heated indoor features gently echoes in the background, relaxing both body and mind. Beside it, sculpted platforms hold lounging spaces wrapped in fine fabric, surrounded by aromatic air and gentle lighting. Here, retreat blends with indulgence, private sanctuaries built not just for wellness, but for those who live on a level where comfort meets art. At the entrance, an architectural wonder awaits. An open layout with suspended elements rising in curves, walking you through layers of light and material. Each step is designed with intention, floating in space yet grounded in style. The path opens with symmetry and strength, and the golden structure above seems to frame a lifestyle where everything, from arrival to rest, feels like a moment out of a dream. As the journey comes to rest, a familiar warmth takes over, layers of softness around a quiet media space. Deep hues of velvet cushion the body, while detailed goldwork and crystal lighting surround a smart display as seamless as glass. No wires, no bulk, just a space where the family gathers in the lap of regal design, where entertainment is framed in artistry. This level of design isn't just about rooms, it's about a philosophy. It's about balance between softness and structure, richness and calm, innovation and tradition. It's where ancient palace elegance meets tomorrow's technology. It's where handcrafted meets custom-coded. It's where architecture is no longer just shelter, but an experience, a reflection of identity and power. And all of this doesn't come lightly. The materials alone represent fortune, from hand-sourced marble, rare mineral crystal inlays, custom-molded gold elements, velvet crafted to order, and smart integration behind walls that appear centuries old. These aren't simply expensive finishes. They are rare, elite, often only accessible to those with limitless resources and vision. In homes like these, the value isn't just in price, it's in what it represents: taste, legacy, and dreams made physical. Here at Next Gen Mansions, we don't just showcase homes, we reveal entire worlds. And today, we brought you through one of the most majestic creations yet. Every feature, every texture, every light beam in this mansion is designed for those who live far beyond ordinary. So, if this vision inspired you, stay with us. Because this is just the beginning. Like, subscribe, and return tomorrow, where we'll continue exploring the most beautiful luxury homes ever imagined.